early Christmas sales. Get stocked up now before Christmas. Only $5, but this is the huge ones. It was 25 bucks. Now it's only $5. You know these are really popular with kids. Now, ever since he's been getting these shots, it's starting to clear up. Cash says, no, this side. And he's like, okay. Gets ready to put it on his right side. And he says, no, okay, this side. I said, Cash. Morning, girl, what are you doing peeking over this pool? How you doing today? What's up, Kendrick? How you doing, buddy? Good morning. Vlog life. Let's see what we're gonna get into today. Morning, gorgeous.
Good morning.
How are you? Say what's up to the fire squad.
What's up, fire squad?
What we gonna do today, babe?
Well, Cash has his shots today.
Okay.
For his skin, his rashes.
Yeah.
So we gotta do that. So we gotta check the kids out early. So this is their second week of school, and they're getting checked out early today.
You see these clouds today? Oh my goodness.
It's windy.
It's windy. This isn't usual weather in Arizona.
It's kind of windy.
Good.
Yeah, it feels real good. Hey baby, you ready for your day?
Yeah, I got my coins.
Oh, I love your car, sweetie.
Yeah.
You talk so good for a 2-year-old.
I toys.
Okay. We are here at Walmart. Yes. Let's see what things they have.
We got Happy Meal.
And you have a Happy Meal. They might have some clearance items there.
Few dinner items.
So shop with us.
Let's go.
Hey, Walmart. Y'all love Walmart. Clearance. The kids are like, clearance. Oh, Lord. You see toys and clearance. Look at these cool cups. $2. Look at that. You like Yeah, I don't know if that's clearance, but I just know this nice cool cup. Aaliyah would love this. All of these are $1. It's a elderberry fizz. It's an immune formula. This is really cool. So I know elderberry is really good for your immune system. And it has zinc, potassium, vitamin D, and all these are $1. Each tablet's a dose. You get like 12 tablets in there. That's cool. I know. Look, they have a lot of toys in clearance right now. We can get our early Christmas stuff now. Ooh, look at that. Look at this Paw Patrol, $1.36. What's in here? Look at that. Would you like that? We have a big Paw Patrol, Kendrick, for $9. This one's $6.48. They have a lot of toys, y'all. I think it's time to start stocking up for Christmas in this clearance section today. They have some kites here, and these are the good kites, y'all. These are the large ones. Look, 38-inch, only $5, but this is the huge ones. I'm just shocked at how many toys are here. What in the world? Walmart has this clearance section on fleet. They even have this little tricycle for $50. Look at that. Aren't you amazed at all the toys, guys?
Yeah.
Yes, look at you. So these are $7. Is this like a beach towel? It's like a beach towel with a toy. Isn't that cool? I like that. They're originally $12.97. They call them beach towel and towel. Now this is something we can use. Baby cough syrup for $4. It was $8.87, so more than half off. Look at the Trolls toy. It was 25 bucks. Now it's only $5. You know these are really popular with kids. Look at that. You like that?
Yeah.
Faith said no. Probably the coolest thing I ever seen for a baby. Look, you start out as a baby, then as you grow up, it turns into from 1 year all the way to 5 years. It goes in steps. It's $77. Look at that. Isn't that cool, Faith? You like that?
Yeah.
That's the cheapest I've ever seen a hoverboard. 98 bucks. Look at this. Ages 5 and up. Everyone, Fire Squad, I suggest you start getting your Christmas presents now. These sales at Walmart are amazing. So remember I seen the $98 hoverboard earlier? Look at this, an $88 one. When I say, and these make beats, it's a Bluetooth inside of it. And then a $50 hover, look, it's a $50 hoverboard.
Whoa.
That's it. It says max weight 80 pounds though, so ages 5 and up. This is something I've never seen before. Look at it, hover bowling set, Kenneth. It's 20 bucks. What do you do? It says colorful lights, multiplayer.
You could trash that with them.
I know, that's different. It's like
You
bowling.
could push that.
Yeah, with lights. I like this 5-in-1 sports set. It has wiffle ball, ring toss, bowling, scoop ball, and Velcro toss. It's $23. All of these sales. These Paw Patrol hands are 20 bucks too right now. Like I said, early Christmas sales. Get stocked up now before Christmas, y'all. Oh, that is cute. Look at that. The princess, $20. Faith, you like that? Look at the outfit.
Yeah, my
Look at that. You like
This
that?
it. You could.
You like that? That's only $9.97.
It's
And
that
earlier,
was-
remember, this was 25 bucks. In the clearance section, this is only $5. Look at that. And you know what's weird? Over here it says $16, but over in the deeper clearance it's $5. So that's a steal. Ryan has a new egg. Look at that. How much is this? It's 40 bucks. That's not bad. I remember when they first came out. I know, and the little ones are 20, but that's a deal. Money got her eyebrows done while I was shopping for items.
That's why I love coming to this particular Walmart. They have a place where you can get facials and everything.
Yeah, they're yelling for you. They miss you.
Look at the toys.
Yeah, we seen some good early Christmas toys that were in clearance. Yeah, I mean good prices.
I would like to see it.
It is. Now this would be a cool Christmas gift. Look, $159. It's a 4-piece table set. It has the net there. Oh my gosh, that is such a good deal. Special value here. Me and the kids would have a ball. I would put this outside in the back, like in the yard. That'll be really cool to have. And also this pool table for $9.09. Y'all comment down below, how much do pool tables usually cost? Because I think that's a deal, $909. Yeah, we're gonna get a fishing pole, but this is 13 bucks. This is Shakespeare. Let me get one of these.
It comes with everything.
Christmas gift, or are we getting it just to get it?
Just to get it.
Okay. And another thing, a 14-foot trampoline, 211 bucks. Wow, they're usually over $300 for these. Wouldn't that be cool? A trampoline? Do we have enough room for a trampoline in the house?
Yeah.
We do?
Yeah.
Even with our pool, huh?
It might be a close fit,
Yeah.
but yeah, we do.
You see the trampoline? Then this is a cool rollback. Let me see. This is that LOL. Isn't that the thing that Leah likes, the LOL?
Yeah.
$149, and it's a huge play set. It looks like a little house. What I notice is that these electric vehicles for your kids cost more when it comes close to Christmas. $149 for this huge one. Isn't it usually $300 something for these? $398, $298. See, that's the normal prices we see. But look how big this is.
It's a diesel.
It's a diesel, $249, and look how huge it
And it even
is.
has the trailer, literally. Kendrick's having one in the back.
That would be so cool for them. So they are cheaper now, so I would suggest get the early Christmas gifts.
This is even $249.
That's $249. Last time I checked, it was $350.
$3-something.
Yep. Here in the grocery section of Walmart, I just had to show y'all this. Mini sweet biscuits. What? $3.97? Brand new, huh? Oh, that look good. This is new. Ragu for $1. So you're telling me people get a pack of Ragu just for themselves, tomato sauce? Oh, I see. So you can use it for dipping, and you only need it for like your sides. Or I guess if you're just cooking for yourself and not a family. Babe, I think that's for if you're not cooking for a family and you just want it. Yeah, it makes sense. Oh, we're making lasagna. So we're gonna get this brand of Victoria tomato and basil. We're gonna get 3 of these. Y'all, what in the world? Look at this brand with vodka inside of the tomato sauce. Now that I'm curious about.
I want to try it.
You want to try it?
Yo, mama.
And look at the spicy they make. They make the regular marinara. They make a basil one.
I'm interested in the basil and the vodka.
Yeah, and these are $6.47 a piece for 25 ounces, your normal size. Yeah, oven ready lasagna. That's what we're gonna get. So this brand, I love Berea.
That's to boil these?
Yeah. Well, I think, comment down below, is it true that you just put it in the oven like this, making lasagna, or do you boil it first?
I think the one that said oven ready. You just
oven ready. Yeah, you want to get oven ready then, I guess?
Yeah, but they only have it in this brand.
All right, then let's just get it. Also, for our amazing lasagna we're gonna make, I'm gonna put some ground pork in it. Actually, let's see, ground Italian sausage, that's what I want. And there it is, ground Italian sausage. Ooh, it's wet, y'all. Not today. Yeah, 2 pounds is good, y'all. So I touched this one, it was wet. That one's wet too?
Just a little bit.
Ugh, good thing they had them bags.
We have bags and then the thing right here too.
Yeah, I need to use this ASAP. Hi. They're hanging out. They're happy they got their little clearance toy. Oh my gosh, $13.13. That is huge. Jeez. I think I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna put this in the freezer, y'all. I'm gonna use these spare ribs. We haven't tried spare ribs, so
wow.
That is huge, right?
This is very huge.
And that one's kind of open, so let's get this one instead. But we only need one for dinner.
Okay.
Yeah. We're gonna get some mozzarella. What do you see over there that's new?
Ready to cook. Uncooked, heat and serve in 90 seconds. Fajita flour tortillas.
So you put it in the microwave to cook it?
I don't know.
Hey, hold on, let's read it. Let's see if, because they're not cooked tortillas. It says do it on the stove. Would you do that?
Yeah.
It's $269?
$198?
$198. Oh, even cheaper. And we love using tortillas in the house for breakfast, y'all, so that'll be good. And of course we need cream cheese for our bagels. We love bagels, huh, babe?
We love bagels.
Yes, indeed.
Look at this.
Look at that. Buffalo style. No, I'm okay with buffalo style cream cheese.
I would want to try it.
That's not my cup of tea.
I know.
Honey pecan. Ooh, that's my alley. That looks
pecan.
good. Would you try that? Oh, you're allergic.
I'm allergic.
Never mind. Let me put
We
it
can
back.
have it for you. It's a small one. And the kids will like it.
But it's $3.38. Get some ricotta cheese.
Oh, that's in my hair.
Oh yeah. Look at this guy. What is he doing? He's going crazy.
Sure is.
Whoa. Sit down. Don't fall now. What's wrong with your brother? Oh yeah, we love this tea. It is so good, y'all. Milo's. I suggest you to try it. Picked up Cash from school. He has an appointment. Cash, are you getting your shots today? It's for your skin. Your skin is healing up, y'all. It was real bad and dry. All of his skin used to be like that, but it was like this, but everywhere. But now, ever since he's been getting these shots, it's starting to clear up. Doesn't it feel better? He used to be so irritable, y'all. So you already had your shots once with your mom. How'd it go? Did it hurt? A little bit? All right, are you gonna be tough today with Dad? You're gonna have to be tough. Good job, Cash. Good job. Cash wanted me to hug him while he had got his shot. It's not too bad. Let me see your little Band-Aid.
No.
He doesn't. I was just gonna look at it. You can show me it. Show me your Band-Aid.
Nope.
Be proud. I'm not gonna touch it. Be proud. Be tough. Where is it at? Oh, it's right there. Good job, man. High five. Good job. Cash did great with his shots. At the same time, let me tell you what he did. This is my first time taking him, by the way.
Yeah.
Usually mom takes him in and I wait in the car. He said, okay, doc, I'm ready for my shots. And he says, all right, where would you like it? Your belly, your arm, your leg? And I was like,
Yeah, and he got options.
yeah. So he's like, no, my arm. Mind you, these shots are, like I said, for the skin. And he said, okay, I want it here on this side. So the doctor comes up with the needle. He's getting it ready. About to rub it whack. All his Cash says, no, this side. And he's like, okay. And he walks around and he gets ready to put it on his right side. And he says, no, okay, this side. I said, Cash, no, you need to stop, pick a side, and say for sure. Cash, why couldn't you pick a side?
Because I forgot this side is the one that makes me feel uncomfortable.
So what side did he end up getting it in?
His right side.
Let me tell y'all, he's been doing this this is maybe his third time or fourth time. And he comes every 2 weeks
To get these shots.
to get these shots. The first time he had to get 2 shots. And it was like an EpiPen. It was a hard injection. The doctor had to go like, boom, into your arm.
Really?
Yeah. And then I had to call and speak with the pharmacist. It's not a regular pharmacist. They only deliver to home and to the doctor's office. They call me all the time, and I said, listen, he's only 6 years old. That needle is thick.
Yeah. He
And
doesn't need the thick ones.
He screamed. The whole office, including in the waiting room, including in the hallway of the whole complex, heard him. So I said, listen, do you guys have a smaller needle by any chance, like a regular syringe needle?
Right.
So they went ahead and got it approved to give him a smaller needle, not like the EpiPen type. Y'all, we under the freeway thing. But it's still thick.
Yeah, so when you put it in, and then he has to slowly do it.
Yeah.
And I'm like, oh, if you don't hurry up, Cash is about to swing. I'm like,
That's how it is.
Cash wanted to hold me tight, so I put him under me and held him. And he got through it. Cash.
Did he scream?
No, he didn't scream. Good job, Cash.
Good job, Cash.
Proud of him.
And he does that switching the arm thing. I mean, the doctor usually has to like say, Mom, okay, calm him down, talk to him, figure out which arm he wants, and then I'll come back.
Yeah, I was able to get on the first shot. Well, after he chose 3 arms, but
oh, so he didn't have to like go out. And
he didn't
back?
have to go out. I said, Cash, make your mind up. This is it. You're going to get this shot. Do you want to feel better? Do you want to stop itching all the time? Do you want to keep having dry skin? He says no. So I reasoned with him, and he got a shot.
And Cash knows these injections are helping.
He knows it. That's the only reason why he goes through with it.
It took several months to get here, right?
Yeah, it's
almost like a year.
Yeah.
To get these injections, because
we've been trying to get it approved through insurance, and it's not easy I'm sure you all understand. You probably have some things in your insurance that might have took a long time or still is taking a long time to get approved. So I know one of you understands.
Yes. But it is working. So I will say we are thankful for it.
It is working. His
skin is looking amazing.
You should have seen it before. It was bad, y'all.
It was really bad.
There's scabs all over his body. Like, it was bad. Like, he was literally being tortured.
Yes.
God is good. Now we're just on a freeway.
We're on the freeway, y'all. It's rush hour.
Look at this traffic,
There's
y'all.
a line.
My goodness. Arizona traffic is something else, y'all. I would compare Arizona traffic to pretty much like a monkey in a barrel. Because monkeys in a barrel, you ever heard of that saying? No?
No. It's not as bad as California. It's getting pretty close.
It's not as bad as New York, I know that. But
yeah,
there's a lot of congestion, and there's a lot of people from all over the United States that move here, which I still don't understand to this day. They move to the desert.
Hey, this my home state, so you know.
So
what you trying to say?
I'm trying to say this place is hot.
It's very hot. I don't even like the heat, y'all, but I'm from here. I'm used to it.
No one can get used to it. You sure you're used to heat?
I'm used to it, but danger. I love me some cold weather. Everybody says you living in the wrong state. I sure am.
Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
No, you're not. It rains so much here.
I wish it rained so much here.
He's funny. When it does rain, it pours, though.
It's like overboard.
Monsoons. And anyone who's been subscribed, we have videos in the past, you know, the monsoons. And if you're new here, just go down the family vlog playlist. You'll see them.
By the way, you guys, I know this is off topic, but there was a comment about short videos. So we do have a playlist for short videos as well. Make sure to check it out.
You're talking about the videos under 60 seconds. They call it hashtag shorts.
Yes.
Yeah, someone asked about it, and they're basically like TikTok or like mini clips.
Under a minute.
And we just boom, boom, boom. It's like, it's a long playlist.
You can watch it for like hours.
Yeah, we got a long playlist of shorts. You just have to go under our playlist and look at hashtag shorts. Funny moments, cooking,
dancing,
it's just
craziness.
It's like quick and fun. Keep swiping, you see different ones.
Yes.
We have so many playlists.
So many playlists, but we just wanted to throw that in there.
Yep.
Hopefully, you know, share it out, y'all. We really love and appreciate you guys doing that for us as well.
And comment down below, would you like longer videos?
Yes, let us know. A couple people has asked for longer videos, but I guess comment how many minutes?
Yeah, so we know. Let us know. Is it the usual 15, 16 minutes okay with you? Do you want double? Do you just want a little bit more? Let us know, because
just a lot, a little.
Yeah.
We hot, we cold. What are we?
Well, you're cold, I'm hot.
Oh.
Shut up, Shad.
Oh, hold on.
Lord. We might have to take this to the poll.
Oh, we got to do a poll.
Question.
Yeah, how long would you like the videos to be? You know, and I like the post because it's anonymous.
Yes.
You know, people might come out before the video.
Exactly.
You all, we love you all. Stay blessed.
And highly favored. Peace.